guys. I wish I could reach through the screen right now and give you a fist bump, elbow bump. Okay, a hug. What feels like the whole world is just kind of shut inside right now, and we are shut inside here. It's a cold, rainy day in San Diego. So we are totally inside. Like yesterday we were able to get out and hike. I hope this video finds you well. I have so many thoughts on and processing about what's going on. Part of me feels like this is kind of what we all needed a little bit of a timeout and a reset and a chance to do the things we've wanted to do and really love and be present with the people we want to be present with. But part of me also feels that it is overwhelming. The unknown is scary. It's a lot. So if you're feeling all those sentiments, I am right there with you today. Not the point of the video. The point of the video is I love cooking and baking, and this is one of those things that I feel like this is such a great opportunity for me to get my cookbooks out and bake the recipes that I've always wanted to bake and make the homemade bread. And I've been doing that, but I've also been baking lots of bread and cookies and things that aren't necessarily sustainable and healthy. We need balance. So today I want to share with you 3 of my favorite snack treat recipes. They can go either. They're like very healthy snacks, but they also have a little bit of specialty where they feel like treats. I've shared all of these on my YouTube channel before, but I've been around for almost 4 years, and so I thought it'd be fun to compile 3 of my favorites into one video and share those with you today. You are stuck at home, a lot of these things you might have in your pantry, and it's something that the kids can help you make. It's something that you can enjoy for the next week. I've made all of these recently, and it's just making us happy, and the fact that they're nutritious and filling and healthy, but also fit that, also satisfy that sweet tooth is a win-win all around. Let's see what the favorites are.